Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening your Google Sheet and locating the cells to adjust. Click a column letter or row number to select it precisely. Drag across headers to select multiple adjacent rows or columns. Use Ctrl or CMD click to select non-adjacent columns or rows. If you need the whole sheet adjusted, click the top left corner box to select every cell. Keep selections accurate to avoid changing other data unintentionally. With your rows or columns selected, right-click any header and choose Resize Rows or Resize Columns. A dialog appears prompting you to enter an exact pixel value, like 24 or 48. Type the number and click OK to apply the precise size. This method ensures uniform heights or widths across your selection. If the result looks off, repeat the process with a different pixel value until the layout looks right. To auto-fit content, hover the header border and double-click the edge to size to content automatically. For manual control, hover a header edge, then click and drag left or right to change width or up and down for height. You can also use the Format menu and choose column width or row height to enter pixel values directly. Combine auto-fit and manual dragging to achieve the best layout for text, numbers, and wrapped content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.